He's going to be on YouTube tonight. There you are, it's recording. Barely Sebastian. What's his name?
Stanley.
Stanley. Oh, like my father. Oh, she's coming to tell him to fuck off. Feia, lessusa. Falcon. Falcon. Falcon, get off. Yes, he's a twat, that dog. He's overexcited. Oh, she's gone off to see about a ball. Yes, she's not interested in dogs. Ali. Wow, Bala, Lake Bala with a Pyrenean. Whoops, I think he's going to get wet. Falcon! Push, Falcon. Oh dear, Faye's got herself a ball. Oh. No. Oh, did oh no, don't give, you'll never get rid of her if you do that. Oh. No food, no food. Oh. Was he heading to the water? You want to go splashing? Yes, you're not a water dog. Come on then. Whoa, got overexcited, Falcon. Hey, you tell him though. What a beautiful coat. Oh la 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 la.
Yeah, that's definitely a dog you do want to get wet. It's a lot of drying.
Oh. Oh. There we go.